In this video, I'll show you how to get USDT BEP20 address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if someone tells you to send him or her your USDT BEP20 address on Trust Wallet, what you need to do, you need to click on this Manage Crypto, right? Once I've clicked on it, you'd come on here and type in USDT. So the exact address that is USDT BEP20 is USDT BNB, right? So this is it, USDT BNB Smart Chain. This is your USDT BEP20 address. So if someone tells you to send him or her your USDT BEP20 address, this is what you're going to send the person. On this, right? Once I've on it, you would go back, click on it. This is your USDT BEP20 address. Click on receive. Yeah, so this is it exactly. So this is your USDT BEP20 address. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.